welcome to the channel. If you're about to start your first year in university in 2025, you are in the right place. So in today's video, I will be sharing essential tips that will help you master your university first year life and set you for success. So whether you're feeling excited, nervous, or even somewhere in between, I've got you covered. So grab your notebook and let's dive in. Tip number 1, time management. Time management is your best friend, and trust me, university life can get very overwhelming and it can get busy with all the classes, assignments, social events, club meetings. So here are 3 points on what to do. First point is you must use a planner. Whether it's on your phone, tablet, laptop, or you've written it down on paper, but use a planner and write down important dates like for exams, assignments, project deadlines. Point number 2, prioritize. Learn to identify the most important and the urgent things and get them done first. Point number 3, set a study schedule. Block out time each day to study and stick to it so that you're not cramming the night before. Okay, so time management is all about working smarter and not harder, and trust me, your future self will be proud of that. Now, tip number 2, build a support system. University is a big change, right? So having a solid group of friends, peers to study with can make all the difference. Surround yourself with people who will motivate you, will support you, whether it be your roommate, classmates, or even your professor. Okay, don't be afraid to ask for help. University professors are there to help you, and most campuses have counseling services, tutoring, and academic advisors to guide you. You are never alone in this journey. Tip number 3, take care of your mental health. Listen, the transition to university can bring up a lot of stress and it is easy to get overwhelmed. So here are a few things that you can do to take care of your mind. So the first one, exercise regularly, whether it's taking a walk or hitting a gym. Physical activity is great for your mental well-being. The number 2, practice mindfulness or meditation. Just 10 minutes a day will reduce stress. Number 3, get enough sleep. Do not underestimate the power of a good night rest. Your brain needs it to function well. It's okay to take a break. Prioritize your well-being and avoid burnout. Tip number 4, get involved on campus. University isn't just about academics, it's also about building experiences, meeting new people, and exploring your interests. Whether it's joining a club, volunteering, or attending campus events, getting involved is a great way to feel connected with the university community. Plus, extracurricular activities can boost your resume or your CV. It will help you develop valuable skills and create lifelong memories. You never know, your future career might even start with a club meeting. Tip number 5, don't be afraid to fail. This might sound strange, but trust me, failure is a part of success. You'll make mistakes, whether it's missing or struggling in class. Don't get discouraged. Learn from it, adjust, and keep going. In university, you will grow both academically and personally, and it's important to embrace the challenges along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and university advice. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.